Hmm. Okay. Oh, I mean, it's live. Nice. Hey guys, so welcome to wait, I think yeah. Wait, before that, let me just change the screen. Okay, hey guys, so welcome to another stream. Well, we are continuing from where we left off yesterday, making the software, I mean website. Let me do some changes real quick. I'm hoping for a long stream, as I mean, if the power is not gonna go, like if it does, then yeah, I don't know what to do. Hmm? All right, we are back. Let's see. Yeah, I guess everything is working fine. Multi-stream is working fine. Okay, so let me open the project. I have to say, like, Mint is a lot better than Ubuntu, at least from like my experience. This feels a lot better. Let's start the project. Where do I start it? npm run dev. Oh, okay. cd space client. I forgot to. And npm run dev should get me inside. Yo, Iris, what's up? Choo choo. Yo, what up? Choo choo. Yeah, how is your day? You just woke up? I mean, it shouldn't be that early, right? It should be a bit more late. By the way, is my audio less or like is it okay? I turned off a few stuff yesterday because I don't know. Okay, Iris, you still here or like have you gone? Because I do. Okay, train. Yeah, choo choo train. I know it's choo choo train. Okay, wait. Before that, I have a question. Okay, like wait, where's my? All right, I'm gonna turn on a few stuff and tell me which is better. Okay, like this is what you're hearing normally, right? And this is after I made some changes. What do you think? Is this good? Is this better than before? This is after I made a change. So is this like good? Okay, is this good or like is this bad? Is this better or is the old one good? I made a small tweak like right now. So is this one like the one that I'm saying right now? Is this one good? Is this better or like is this okay? What do you think? I think it's better. Okay, then we'll go with this. All right. I just increased the gain and I added a few more stuff to the mic so that even when I shout or something there won't be any cutoffs. At least that's what I hope. Instead it will just compress the bandwidth or something. I don't know. I watched a YouTube video to be honest and I just made the whole settings. Okay, so by the way, you were doing something yesterday, right, in Mint? So how did it go? Is it working? Like, is everything done? Wait. Let's see if my project is working. By the way, I made a few changes yesterday. Should be good. I want to try Lucy. Maybe I'll bring her tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, today. We'll see if I can run everything, but I don't know if I'll be able to run everything together though. It didn't work. What happened? By the way, how is this? Like, what do you think? Is this good? I've made a few changes to the UI. What do you think? I'm kind of liking this, like especially these two, like the logout profile, and this goes now like this. By the way, what were you doing? Like, I didn't get any context, so I wasn't sure, like, what was happening. I added the Sukuna. It's okay, I think. But maybe I should add more stuff too. It still feels a bit empty. So I was planning to add some like profile images over here, profile logout, etc. It's okay, I think. Choo choo. What's up with you and Choo Choo today? Like, what happened? With a sudden train enthusiasm. I don't know if it's a train enthusiasm. By the way, like, I noticed something, right? Yesterday, like during the I hit the 70 followers before, right? And I saw like someone unfollowing, so I checked like what happened, and it seems like it was a bot account. I'm able to track that now. Wow. I was trying to add something to a firmware, but it didn't work. Oh, okay. What? Choo choo, look at Discord. Oh, wait. Choo choo, look at Discord. What did you do? Oh, you're on a train ride. Okay, where you going? Oh man, okay, that looks so nice. Where you going to though? Okay, let me drop that. Choo choo train, no wonder. We have the old train though, but like the one that Britishers used to use, but I don't want to talk. The trains, oh my god. People are trying to access the train for free. Like, it's insane when you think about it. Okay, let's Tampere. Okay, I guess that's a place's name. Comic-Con. Oh, nice. You planning to stream it? Wow, that looks so nice. The city looks so good. Wow. The city looks so nice. I mean, like all the European cities that I have seen, right? They all look like the same, but it looks beautiful. You know, I guess it's like the old buildings, right? It's not the new ones, and I think these are like the old buildings, or are these like new one? Yo, Anix, what's up? Hello, intermediate. Yo, what's up, Anix? How are you? Yo, man. Good morning. I mean, it's not morning per se. It's actually evening, right? I mean, or noon to be exact. How's your day going, my man? Aris also on a train trip to Tampere. Like, is that how you say it, or am I wrong? Like, am I saying it wrong? How do you pronounce it? Is it like this itself, or is it something different? The European countries, like the buildings actually look really cool. It's close enough, okay. At least I'm not butchering it, right? I hope I'm not. I don't want to butcher it, man. Like, finally, you have a. Okay, what is that? You have a thunder and what? Okay, I didn't understand that. What do you mean by that? Thunder and a what? What is that supposed to mean? A thunder? Temper? Is that related to temper? Like this? Power and time? Oh, power and time. Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. Yes, I finally have power and time. Like, I streamed yesterday too, but I don't know, like, nothing's for sure, okay? Nothing is for sure. Like, everything is like, it's like anything can happen, Yeah. Anything can happen. Yo, Aris can understand a lot better than me. By the way, Anix, I need some suggestions, for this. Like, in the sense of like a UI, like I do have some ideas, but like I need some more. I feel like maybe it's because of this section, right? Maybe if I add where the heck did my profile picture go though? The profile picture is supposed to show up here. Where? What? Okay, this is not how this is supposed to be. Where's my profile picture? The username is showing up, but the profile picture is not showing up. Why is that? Let's go back to, I think it was in all users, right? All user blogs. I haven't touched this though. Okay, so this is the one that's supposed to show the profile pictures. Profile picture, testify. Man, I haven't touched this in a while and I lose touch of everything. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Okay, let me see. Where the... This is not how it's supposed to be. Cute. Like, if I add this, it gets added. Yeah, great. I'm happy for that. But why? Why is it not having... Okay, it's not showing up the username. Now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. But why is it not showing up the username? Let me search. All right. Type string ID for model user Mongo schema, and we got some backend errors. Trouts web app server. It's a good thing that I didn't upload it to GitHub, otherwise I would have messed everything up. Is the deployed side? Oh yeah, the deployed is working fantastic. Yeah. Wait, let me show you. I mean, you can access it yourself, like I think it was here somewhere. Wait, not this. Share your... Oh yeah. See, like that is working fine. Like it's working fantastic, admin@gmail.com, and you have admin, and when you try to log in, voila, it works. Okay, it doesn't work. The profile picture is supposed to be showing up over here. Why is it not showing up? I mean, this was not how it was supposed to be. I mean, it's the thing is working other than the profile picture not showing up. Yo, Japan, what's up? You are in trouble? Wait, what do you mean by I'm in trouble? What happened? Okay, what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean by I'm in trouble? Yo, give me some context, man. Like, what happened? Did I do something stupid? I mean, yo, how are you, man? Okay, I need to fix this. I did deploy it and everything is working fine, but I don't know what is going on. Okay, we'll have to check. Let's go back. Let's go to inspect console. There should be some clues here, right? Oh yeah, 1000 API profile. Failed to load resources, 1000 API. That makes sense. So there's somewhere where I haven't given the link, but it's still using. All right, I think I know what the issue is probably. Didn't invite Panda to you. I am oh yeah. Didn't invite Panda to your Discord. Wait, wait. Oh wait, I didn't. I mean, he can join. Yo, okay, wait. I forget about stuff like that. Come on. Wait, where is it? I mean, you can invite him, right? Like, yo, I forgot about that. You didn't. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm so confused right now. Wait. Did he say that? Like, I didn't invite him, bro? He can join it. Like, that's the link, everyone. What? Okay. Wait first, Panda, I'll drop a link. Did he say something? Okay, do tell. Okay, yo, bro, you need to give me more context. Like, I'm losing. Yo. Okay, what happened? Okay, give me some context, man. Give me some context. I want to know what happened. Man, I'm like, nothing is working for me today. Like, what is going on? Did I wake up at the wrong side? Okay, let's see. Like, okay, first let's. Okay, user ID. This is a block. This is the path. This is the API URL, of course, and that is working fine. And this is supposed to be. This is for all the users, right? And this is supposed to be title, username, and yeah. Share item open. Okay, share item. Why am I getting all these notifications for this? Okay, let's see what happened with this. Also, Japan, yo, bro, you still here? Like, give me some more context, man. Like, what happened? Did something happen? I thought he was in my server though. Yo, you still here? Man, he says one sentence and just leaves like every single time. Oh man. Okay, wait. What was I trying to do? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, there's actually an ad break happening right now. It's going to run for like a minute, and it should be back after that. Okay, where have I used it? Let me check this first. Fail to load API profile, Axios error, all user blocks, 500. Request failed status code internal, the local. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Like, what happening? I have no idea. I have no idea. Japan said something and he just left. I don't know what Japan meant. Did he mean that I didn't invite Panda? Wait. To the Discord, is that what he meant? Let me just see. But I want to know if that is what he meant. But he didn't say anything. Instead, he just left. I texted him. Let's see what he says. Okay, before that, let me see why this is not working. Okay, API URL plus base URL. What is happening with this though? Why am I getting this error? It's telling me string value data Redicast 1000 API localhost 10,000 API profile block. Okay, let's go to network. And it's oh, you looks new. What changes are you doing? What's tail block? UI looks new. Okay, so I made a lot of changes, like right, like I added tail blocks. Is like tail blocks. It's like, okay, I'll show you what tail blocks is. I think that might be a bit more. So okay, why is it not loading? Yo, okay, you're not supposed to be like this. Come on, man, don't act like this. Okay, maybe this will work. Why is it acting like this? Okay, now it's working. So tail blocks is like, it's a Tailwind library, you know, like template library where you can get the stuff that you want. Like if you want a template like this, you can just copy the code. Like you can see the here, right? And then you can copy it. But the thing is, for React, you're not using class, so you need to change the things, to make it React friendly. So you have to change all the classes to like class name and stuff. And not just that, okay, there are a lot of stuff that you have to change. You need to make sure that everything is working. And once you do that, then yeah, like you can use tail blocks. So I just use tail blocks to get the, what do you call, just this one, like just the top, like the nav bar. For this, the side one, I'm still using the old one. I just instead added like a side section, and then the rest of the stuff. I made few changes, a few color tweaks. I'm working my UI, I'm using my UI skills that I know. I don't know if it's gonna work. And this is like the login page now. It's like the login. This is not working. The sign in with Google is not functional yet. I'll work on that later, like in the future, and register now is here. Like this works. I reduced a lot of the information that you need to enter. Right now you just need to enter your name, DOB, then a username, then email ID, and password. I have been thinking of confirming, like adding a confirmation, like a registration link. Like once you enter the email ID, you'll get activated, some message like in your mail where you click on the link, your account will be activated, something like that. Like email verification. I'm gonna add that. Not validation, email verification. Validation is different, right? Two are like different processes. So I'm gonna add that like later down the line, and I know what to do for those. And the thing that I'm planning to do next is, yeah, then there's also like a forgot password section, right? I'm gonna add that too. Like I have some ideas on what to do for those two. But yeah, these are like the UI changes that I have made up until now. I know the other one looked shit because I was focusing on the functionality more than the design. I wasn't like thinking how to, the main job of this, right? Like the one that we made before, like this one. The main aim was actually to make the backend and front end work seamlessly, in the sense like there shouldn't be any issues. It should just work out of the box. You should have, I am going to add that. Like after I am done with the front end, I mean, like with the UI stuff, I'll add the email verification too. Obviously, this is not deployed, right? So I will add like email verification. So I have been thinking like whether I should use that or like, but I like the design, so I'm gonna stick with this. The first one was just for POC. POC, okay. Give me a full form for POC. Don't use abbreviations like that on me, dude. Like I'm still learning. Okay, what is POC? Product testing? No, it's not product testing. What is POC? Search it, okay. Yo, you lazy ass. POC full form and proof of concept. Oh wait. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess you're right. Man, you could have just wrote proof of concept, Yeah, obviously I have internet. Okay, you meant proof of concept. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess proof of concept. More than proof of concept, yeah, it's proof of concept, I guess. It's also for learning, not just as just a proof of concept, but for me to learn like how each of the stuff work. And the good thing is, like, because of that, I already have something that is working, even though I broke a few stuff. But a lot of the stuff is still working, so it's fine. And I can fix the rest of the stuff on the way. At least that's what I'm thinking. But we have some problems right now. For example, like this. Why is input must be 64 by unit array new object? Okay, let's see what this is. Logged in. Once you log in, use reason input must be 25 and 12-bit new object. Value is that message format data at data routes home is web routes user data routes. Message format is undefined. Okay, I need to check. I need to see what is causing this issue. Okay, data routes. Let's go back to the server, obviously, and see what is causing the issues. I think user data routes. It's over here somewhere. FB log user data route. Find one can use issue with mapping is deleted is false. Okay, so this is the user data routes. And where is the issue at? Okay, you know what? Before I do any of this stuff, let me clear this. I want to know where exactly the issue is. So clear npm start dev, right? Like, let's log out. Right, and then I love that train has power outlet. I mean, yeah, all train has power outlets, right? Wait, is your train electrical or is it like, how is it diesel? Yeah, I'm asking as if your personal train is no, in the you know what I meant, like is the train you're traveling electric or like diesel? We do, I think ours is like diesel powered trains. I mean, we do have electricals. Full electric. Ah, okay. So even the stop and the rest of the stuff must also be like electric. That's pretty cool. Okay, wait. Now let's see what exactly caused the issue, right? So where's my... Okay, let's bring up the server. I'm gonna log in and we got the error. Okay. So I'm guessing this is the one that is causing the error. String. Before this, diesel trains still are electric, they just use fuel to make... Yeah, I mean, I know that, but you know what I meant, like for electric trains we have like pure electric trains, right? They have those things to the top attached, at least that's how it's here. You know, like two antennas or some stuff. I think, is it? Okay, wait, I'll show you what I meant. Train, it has that thing, right, which is attached to the electric power line. I think it's a power line. Electric, what do you call electric? Yeah, power line. Electric locomotive, right? So yeah, this is the thing, right? Like they have these things which are attached to a power line, whereas for diesel they don't have this thing, right? That's what I meant when I asked, like, is it electric or like diesel? Obviously it's like a vehicle. You know, I mean, like a car or a bike, you generate the electricity using the engine, you know, that you generate power using the engine. No, for, I guess, do they, I mean, is it diesel or do they have like a battery maybe? Like, I don't know. Do trains have a battery for like energy? So that would be insane. Because cars usually have like a battery, right? I mean, not just cars or bike, they have a battery to, I think it's to start the engine probably, and for using, and once the vehicle starts moving, I think it switches, right? Something like that. So it might be like a mixture of everything. How on earth you're gonna start it? Yeah, I know. Okay, wait. All right. So this is the one, and why do I get this error? Okay, let me just take this data routes 91 by 20. So 91, right? Okay, so this is the one to display the profile pic of user. Honestly, right? The things that everyone makes, it's insane. When are you gonna start it? Wait. Mm. By the way, how long is your trip, like travel? Does it take, is it an hour or like, does it take more than that? I mean, if you're riding trains, then it should take less time, right? At sync, okay, let me get this. Is it at the same for everything? Let me check this too. Data time ID string. Okay, constant user ID request dot params dot user. It access the user ID from the parameter. Okay, this is what they access. So let's go back to user router. That's where I made the change, right? So to the side, let's go back here. Okay, dot user axios dot api, but under 2 hour, a bit under 2 hour. Oh, okay. I mean, oh yeah, that should be really quick. And I guess it's that long. 2 hours. How long will it take if you're riding like a car or something, like a bike? I mean, car mostly. Yo, I have gone like on bike for such a long trips. Oh my god, my back. It hurts so much after a while, right? Like if you're riding constantly without taking any rest, your back is gonna be a mess. Oh my god. Woof. But it's fun, because the wind's hitting your face and it's pretty fun. And if the weather is a bit cold, after a while your fingers will start becoming a bit stiff. Will become a bit stiff. Okay, user ID. API, okay, constant fetch equal to call use callback. Naveen, yo man, it was better displaying webcam instead of this, but it was speaking the same. Okay, you guys want to see my handsome face again, huh? But the thing is, like I'll always be sweaty, like it becomes really uncomfortable. That's why like I removed my face and added the potato, it becomes really, because the weather is really that bad, right? But yesterday we had rain, boys, like finally yesterday. Just joking. Yo, come on, you can't shoot me down like this. Yo, but yesterday we had some rain. I think it rained at night. Get a good prediction. Fuck you. But yo, the because of that, like today morning I couldn't wake up because it was so cold. It was so nice, like I just wanted to sleep in, but I had to wake up. I mean, you need to wake up every morning, right? Man, it was such nice weather though. Usually it hits like, by the way, I saw the weather like in the South Asia, I think it's like 42 degrees Celsius or something. I mean, like Thailand and those part, right? Like the weather is like 40 degrees Celsius. I was like, okay, what the hell? We're having 30 and 38. And, I mean, we are close. It's not like we are that far off. But still, oh my god. Like the weather is becoming so much. It's unbearable. I don't think it's been this bad in like a long time. Maybe it was? I don't know, man. The weather is so spontaneous and you don't know what's happening. All right, let me see. I don't know what's happening here too. Like, okay, input my speed. I feel like it might be because of this. Like, maybe I did something stupid over here. Constant path is equal to profile picture where you are taking the user ID. This is the second section. Honestly, I forgot nested comments. Yes, wait. Okay, I didn't understand. I mean, I should have added a bit more comments over here because I have no idea what I'm reading right now. This is why you need more comments. I can understand here, like, what is happening, but I can't understand what is happening over here. Like, what did I do over here, man? Oh my god. Maybe I should start streaming soon. You should, man. Let's do it. Nah, not this kind. I mean, the web page. Oh, I mean, this one. No, the comment section. I will like redesign it later on. The comments. Like these are like each blocks, but I do have plans. Like I'm working on the UI right now, right? So I'll do that like later on. This is not how I wanted to display. This is like the functionality, you know. I mean, the whole page has become a bit different. Like I'll show you how it was like in the beginning. This is what's deployed actually. Like this is how it looked before. This is like the first phase where I learned this stuff, right? And this is how it looks like. This was how it was before, and this is how it is now. I'm working on this too. Like I have some ideas on how to do certain stuff and how to add a few stuff. I need to add some icons over here for each of this. And yeah, that's how. And I need to add a search. Like these things work over here, but I need to do the same over here. Like I need to add a search, and I need to make this working too, like the following list and stuff. I want to show that. Let's meet sometimes this. Yeah, for sure. I mean, whenever you want to. Like I don't mind. You mean online, right? Because like where do you live in you don't live here, right? You're not in, you mean not like in real IRL, right? Sure, like just text me, man. Like message me. You're in the Discord, right? I'm pretty sure you're in the Discord. In in Chennai. Okay, I can't meet up IRL in Chennai. I'll have to travel so long. Man, and I'm so lazy to travel. Nah, let me. Nah, let me join. Okay, wait, you're not in this Discord? Okay, I thought you were. Okay, just join the Discord and just ring me up like when you want to do stream. You know, I thought you were. Oh, you know, you're not. Okay, I mean, you can join the Discord. The link is there, right? I have updated the link, so it's like perfect time. We are adding more people to our cult, boys. Let's go. We need more members. Okay, the cult of mist. Okay, wait. Yo, okay, he just jogged in. Yo, welcome. Welcome to the cult, my man. Calling my crew. Okay, I shouldn't do that. It's bad. Okay, so wait. What was I doing? Yeah. My profile. Okay, this doesn't work. So this is like the same thing that I'm having over here. I just changed the Cult of Chaos. Oh, that's a good name. Maybe I should change the Discord name to that. What do you think? Like, should I change it to that, Cult of Chaos? I kind of like it. Should I change that? Let's put a vote. Maybe let's do a poll. Wait. Wait, where is it? Okay, how do I do a poll? I mean, I don't actually need to do a poll. I'm a dictator. I can just do the name change here itself, right? Okay, we'll do it in Discord. That might be better because everyone's active over there, right? Okay. And we'll do it over there. Cult of Chaos. Okay, wait. Okay, how do I do a poll in Discord? Yo, okay, like he is here. Nobody's gonna ask, and nobody has any doubts. Wait, how do I do a poll over here though? Oh, there's an option for poll. First one, cult of chaos. Okay, duration 24 hours. I'm gonna drop it for a week. I mean, okay, I'll add it here in the general. Okay, I did that. Okay, let there be chaos. Alright, so what was I trying to do? Yeah, I was trying to do this. Okay, so I need to fix this. Is this too dark? Like, can you guys see that? I think it's fine. Yeah. Let me just fix this. Like, why am I getting this error? Let me copy this. Let's copy this at async. Is it the same over here too? At async. Okay, so it's the same. Nice. Let's copy. And then, yo, ChatGPT, can you help me out a bit? Can't vote on something. There is a rule of thumb. You need to keep the input elements font set to 16px so it won't zoom in when viewed on Safari. The input element font set. I think it is set. I mean, I don't. That's what I usually keep. Let me see. Okay, that's thank you for that. I'm on the old Discord. You are the one who suggested the name, so I guess I will count your vote, you know. I'll just count it in my head. Like, drop a comment or something, tag it and add like a +1 or something. That should do it. Wait, okay. 16, right? Okay, but I don't yeah, I guess for this, like for this one, it should be like 16. It might be better. Gotta go, bye for now. Okay, man, see you later. Just text me when you want to do stuff. Look Discord and you will see. Wait, like what do I see? What do you mean I can see? What do you mean? Look Discord and you will see. Ah, you mean like the message, right? Yeah, I saw that. The screenshot, right? You meant the screenshot? Yeah, I saw. Something went wrong here, right? Yeah, I saw that. Like, that's what I said. Like, there's a week time, right? You can go home and you can open it in your PC. But the image, though. Wait. By the way, it's spring for you now, right? It's funny how it shows something even the I mean, yeah, I guess there might be, if it's the old stuff then it won't show up, something like that probably, I guess. It might be something like that. Hmm. It might be something like that. Like I don't think like I don't know the version before Mew. Oh, you mean new UI? Mew UI. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT like what is wrong with this. Okay, why is this causing an error? Let me see. Before that, 9 access. Okay, console.log user ID. What do I get for the user ID? No, and spring, yes, no snow anymore. Like I was asking because maybe like you're having snow, like if there's going to be any more snow, you know. So it's not going to be snowing for until like the next winter, right? Because you're gonna have summer and stuff now. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let me try to refresh this. And what do I get? This is the string value. Cast to object field. Yeah. But you guys still won't have that much of temperature, right? The max you're gonna hit is like what? 30? I mean, no, not 30, like 24 probably, right? 24, 25. Like, yeah, the highest you guys hit is like 30. Ah, such a good weather. Cast to object field for value. Okay, so I gave it something like this, console.log user ID. And by the way, guys, there's an ad break happening right now for like 46 seconds. I don't know if it should be. It shouldn't last long. And string value mongoose library probably can go over 30, but hopefully not. I don't. I mean, yeah. Even then, ads. Imagine. I guess you're not having any ads, sir. I mean, the ad block. Yeah, I guess for mobile, I guess it doesn't. You guys don't get any ads for mobile. In mobile, how do you pronounce it? Mobile or like mobile? Mobile. We say it as mobile. Cell phone. Then you have cell phones, right? Oh yeah, yeah. I forgot. Thanks for the sub, by the way. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I forgot about that. Okay, that man, my memory. I mean, yeah, you took the easy way out. Like Jax was the Jax actually. I think he had like what do you call? Uh, he had like the ad blocker on, right? But mobile users do get ads. Oh, they do. I don't get that many ads on. I mean, I haven't seen ads on my phone. Maybe it depends upon region or something. But then again, I use like PC mostly more than this, so maybe it's because of that. Okay, object ID. What's the message though? I don't see the message. Sync root kind path. And what is this supposed to be? Caster. Okay, let me clear this. And let's restart it again. Let's refresh this again. Okay, user ID. Now it's showing up. But Okay, so user ID is this. So this is the user ID. Yeah, it is the same user ID for each of them. So it is getting the user ID. So user ID works, and then it says at path ID find by user. Okay, what does that mean? Did something change? I'll have to check. User ID is this and cast. Okay, let me see. Put console select block user ID option. If I hit refresh, would that update the code? Nope, it doesn't. So I am getting the data. Okay, I'm getting the user ID, but it says this. Okay, let's see what it means by that. Okay, what does it mean by that? Paul, okay, man, welcome to the stream. Hi. Hello. Hello and welcome to the stream. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day. Okay, and if you are, I see that it's your first time doing good. What about you? I'm doing great until I saw this error, and I just noticed that it has the same error when I deployed it. So I have to work on it, and I'm trying to find out what the error is when I have no idea what it is. So yeah, I'm having a great day. It's been a while since I last touched this code. Okay, so that's why, like, I thought, you know what, I'll do the front end for this. This is not like this is how it was supposed to. I mean, this is how it used to look. Like, this was the first what do you call first stage, right? Where I just wanted to. I was learning, so I wanted to make like a social media platform, and this is what I did. And I don't know what I did, but apparently it's not working. Temporary is closer bit by bit. Oh, nice, nice, nice. That's good to know, man. You're getting closer to your city, Comic Con. I hope you'll send some photos, okay, on Discord probably. Maybe you can IRL stream it. So yeah, like this is like the first thing that I made, right? And I decided to change this. But now it's not showing the profile picture. It's supposed to show this here, but it's not. And I don't understand why, so I'm trying to solve that. It's been a while since I last checked the code, so I don't know where I'm at. So yeah, that's how I'm doing. Yo, of course I'll send you pics. Yo, nice. But I don't know about streaming though. I mean, just try and see if you are able to. If so, it's great, right? If not, just drop some pics. That would be great. Would love to see it. I never went to a Comic Con, so I don't know how it, how it is and stuff. I seen videos about it for sure. Maybe I'll move to Europe. You never know. I don't know, man. I don't know where life takes me. Well, can't take pics if I'm stream. You know what? Take some pics and then stream. I see. Is it a bit like Twitter? Yeah, kind of like Twitter, but no, you don't have like subthreads or anything like that. You can just write how much you want. Though I have thought about adding a limit, and then I thought about adding a thread. Like, should I do it? But I don't know. Like, we'll see. Based on the requirements. If anyone wants to use it at the end of the day. But still, I'm just using it. I'm just learning stuff and doing it. I did the backend. The backend is working fine up until I saw this error. Until then, everything was working fine. The thing is, I changed a few things, right? Because when I'm deploying it, I have to change all this like links right in front of it. And if I have to change it dynamically instead of like static, if I had to change it dynamically, I had to add it to like an environment variable. So when I did that, I think I messed something up, and this is the result of that. That's what I think. I think that is probably the reason why I'm getting this error, because everything was working before. Everything was fine when you see, everything works fine when you see. USA has more comic. Yeah, yeah, obviously USA has a lot more. I think Canada also has a lot, though I don't know compared to US how it is. I think US has a lot more though. What happened to quality? I can only see up to 3. Wait, really? Really? It's showing me 140 1440p though. I can see, I'm streaming my stream in like 1440p. Like, what about you guys? Like, is it the same? Yeah, I can still see it at source. Any skill issues? Yep, can see. Yeah, see, like, yo, Anix, call your ISP, man. Shout at them, like, why the heck? I think it's probably because of that. Like, I'm not sure. Maybe it's like maybe refresh it. That used to be the case when when I had like less. I'm on mobile. I'll share as on screenshot. Okay, maybe it's a mobile thing. Maybe it's because of that. I'm streaming on 1440p because I want you guys to have the best experience, I don't know, like, does anyone watch in 14? I don't think anyone does, but I still did it. I thought maybe like if I try to get like if I can get the clips, it will be like in a better quality on 60 or no. You're watching on 1440p 60. But honestly though, I don't know, like, isn't 60 fps like an overkill for like when I'm streaming coding? Okay, at least Dax is watching. Oh, okay, that is interesting. It shouldn't be like this though. You should be having the option to watch in higher quality. Maybe update it, like, does your Twitch has any update? Like in your phone, like, does it require an update? Ooh, very close to temperature. Ooh, nice. I'm also excited. I'll be able to see some pictures at least, But Aniket, like, do check. Okay, maybe there'll be some updates or some shit. Maybe clear the cache and then try again. Maybe that could also help. Also, Jax, yo, welcome to the stream, man. This is perfect quality. I can read all your code clearly. Okay, nice. You can read all my dumb stuff clearly in 1440p. Also, I'm streaming on YouTube too, like vertically, which is like a lot more close up. And I think that is also like having a better quality. I can read everything here, but I think this is better. Just got back from shops. Ooh, what did you buy? You buy anything interesting? Another VR headset, maybe? Yeah. On app restart, I can see them. Could be. Yeah, then it's an. Yeah, it's probably the bug. Yep. I mean, I'm streaming it in such a high quality for you guys. Come on, my PC is struggling over there. Yeah, that YouTube looked horrible. Okay, at least you tried. I have this big, beautiful monitor, and YouTube shows us. No. That's for your phone. Okay, if you're like in your phone, check that in your phone. Don't look at that in your screen. Okay, that is for your phone. When you're watching in your phone, right, you can see it in your like vertically. It's perfect. I mean, at least it's perfect for me. It looks perfect. I mean, my potato face is there. Other than that, everything is perfect, you know. I have this big beautiful monitor. Also, Pollock, where you from, man? Like, yo, introduce. I mean, introductions if you want. My name is. I mean, you can call me Mist. I'm from India, by the way. Hello. I don't know. I don't know if he's still here. I hope he is. Big, beautiful. By the way, how big is your monitor, Jax? Like, I think my monitor is breaking, I think, because I see certain horizontal lines, so I'm not sure if it is. I think it is. But it's such a good monitor, you know, like I'm pretty sad if it breaks. It's such a good monitor and I got it for such a great offer too. It costed like 40k, but I got it for like 20k, which is like half the price. And it's like 240 hertz monitor too. So I mean, when I was playing Apex, 27-inch monitor. Yo, me too. Wait, two? Okay, I have one 27-inch monitor from a place far away, Sweden. Oh, nice. Sweden's pretty cool. That's another European country. That is also nice. Jax is from Finland. Anix is from India. Ariso is also from Finland. So welcome to the gang. Sweden, huh? Sweden's pretty cool. Like everything. Even the name, I don't know why, but I always think like of Sweden in a higher spot. I don't know why. Maybe it's the name. Like but yo, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome. Oh, by the way, my throat is a bit dry. Let me have some water. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Let me have some water. My throat. Okay, and I'm back. Another one of those Swedish rivals. Okay, what is up with the Swedish rivals though? What is up with that? Am I missing something? Am I missing something? It's temporary. This is like temporary. Woohoo! It reminds me of that Moist Criticals meme, right? Wait, let me show you that. I'm pretty sure you guys might know that. Finland and Sweden have a special relationship. Oh, that's nice. What is it? Like, can you give me a bit more detail on that? Special relationship? Special in the sense like, yeah. Okay, what is it? What is the special stuff? What's special? I'm curious now. Okay, what is this about? Don't tell me some mass murderous stuff. Okay, I don't know. Okay, what was that sound? I don't know. And my throat is becoming so dry, even though maybe it's because I'm talking too much. Maybe I should talk now, like this now, the sound from the stomach instead of using my throat. What do you guys think about this sound? I think this has a bit more, bass to it. What do you guys think about this sound? Do tell. It's a pretty good, I would say. Oh, okay. Geopolitics kind of relationship. I mean, I'm guessing that's what he meant. It's pretty okay. I genuinely hope it's good and not something bad. It is truly good, right? Because I haven't heard anything like bad, something like that. Usually, if there's some geopolitical stuff, you hear it from somewhere. Unless it's like so deep. I mean, do I need to Google it now? Okay, Jax is not giving an answer. Is he typing it? Okay, what is the relationship? I think there are jokes about the other country on both sides since we are neighbors. Yo, okay, you need to give me at least one joke, man. Like, what? Okay, is it like, is it, okay, I don't think, okay, I guess I might be getting, okay, I can understand. I can guess what kind of joke you guys are getting to. I mean, you can drop it in Discord. I think Discord is more safe. It's just us, right? Like, I think it should be safe. You can do Pollock, like, if you want to join the Discord, you can completely join, okay? Right now, like, we don't have that many people, so, but don't, like, in Discord, it's fine. Or you can just DM me, because I'm curious. So, there is this saying, right? Curiosity killed the bird or something. I don't know. I hope something like that won't happen to me at least. Yo, but I'm so curious now about the joke. But I kind of understand what the joke could be, like how it could be, like. But then again, that is what a joke is. Okay, wait. All right, so let me try to solve this issue, man. I'm stuck here with this issue, and you guys are not telling me what the joke is. So I'm just gonna do this. So let me see. Split the string into an array, so it's getting all the strings together. Is that? I mean, yeah, I can understand that, but that wasn't an issue before. So why is this an issue? Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so why is this an issue now? Why is this causing me an issue all of a sudden? Is it because it's inside a string? Is it receiving it inside a string? Okay, search user ID, and it's getting the user ID from here. Now let me check the other one. How am I sending the user ID? I'm sending the user ID. Huh. Fetch profile pics. I need to send each user IDs, right? And it's not going to be just this. Okay, you know what? There's another way to do this. Let me create another account. Let's call this admin2 0205 1960s 1978 or something. Admin2. Then let that be the username, and let's create at gmail.com. And let's register this, unless I already have an account. Duplicate error key. Okay, I already have it. Okay, never mind. Let's create an admin2. I had all the validation and everything set up, but then I decided to break everything, Typical me. Okay, so this is admin2, right? And let's see what. Okay, this is also having the same one. So let's create something called admin2 and message. Okay, Okay, so this is a message by admin2, and I'm gonna type a comment because I want to make something, I want to check out something too to make sure. So right now I'm able to delete this, but if I'm an admin1, and if I try to access it as an admin, okay, I won't be able to delete it. That's great. So I can't delete this comment now. That means like other than you who created the message, no one else can delete it, right? So that's how this works. Now what? At gmail.com, and let's go to admin. Let's sign in. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Okay, so we got the things, and this is the admin too. Let me add another profile picture. Let's who should I add as a profile picture so that I can uh okay, maybe Goku, because why not? Profile pic, maybe this one. This looks nice, right? JPG. Okay, I think this should be okay. Not this images. I think this is like the best image. Okay, let's save this. Okay, Goku. And let's see, where is it? I think it was here somewhere. Okay, I can add it over here. My blog profile, edit, wait, cancel. Let's add Goku's image. Okay, with that it's done. Let's go back and we have the profile picture. Nice. Okay, let me try to access another one. Try to log out over here, admin at gmail.com, and I'm gonna access this. Okay, it's both the same. Okay, it's both the same size. So that's like 2 accounts, and okay, fine. Okay, nice. All right, so what else do I do? Now I need to find the solution as to why it's acting like this. Before that, let me see string values. Which means this is how it should be. Path should be ID. Now let's go back here. Let me copy this. ChatGPT. Now let me check the inspect console failed to load API profile. Okay, so it is for the profile, right? API file, profile, blog, and Why is there so many? API base URL. Mm. I think I might know the reason why this is acting like this. Okay, so what I can do is path 1. I change it to path 1 and change it like this. Right, that's 1. And let's make this path 2. Take this, paste this over here, and then user ID is declared, but it's okay. What happens with this? Internal error 500. Okay, what is another way that I can use this? Callback functions using callback fetch data async constant slash blocks and a constant response equal to await access API URL plus path 1. Okay, now instead of using it like this, if I take this, I use it over here, and instead of path 1, path 2. And if I comment this out, right, profile picture, where does it get the profile ID from? This is the user ID. Path 2, which is what this is. Now let's check back over here. Okay, what exactly is causing this issue? Let's see. Profile. Constant fetch profile pics is equal to use callback assign use ID. Hey, what exactly is causing this issue? What is it? What is it? What is it? Okay, background comment dev logs to string dev logs data image and image. And what else is there? What else? What else? What else? What else? To get data search user ID. Okay, so it's requesting for the user. Dot log user let's try user ID. Maybe we'll get something. User ID is not defined. And what if I do it over here? Okay, so we got the user IDs. Okay, I think I remember what it does. So So this gets the user ID. Okay, let me remove the where's the comment section. Okay, now this is looking better. Profile section. So I compare both of them, right? Like I compare it, and then if it belongs to the user, so these are the user IDs. Navbar, okay, that's a navbar. Okay, so remove you guys. Now I just want you. Okay, I want to remove. Okay, wait, where is that from? I think that is also in the nav. Okay, I removed them too. Now the only thing that we have is this user is not defined. Okay. Okay, so this fetches the data. And it sorts the data, right? Mm, okay, let me see. Constant user data is equal to okay, why is it what is causing the issue? Fetch profile picture for each user. Okay, constant is equal to block console dot user ID. It gives me the user ID of everything. And let's also console dot log sorted blocks. And let me see what I get for that. 5038. Okay, 5038. 5038. I don't see any. Okay, let's search for user. Okay, what do you mean by this? Okay, so this is what you meant. Path 2. Path 2 dot get path 2, which is equal to user ID. And okay, now let me see what do I get from the sorted blocks. Okay, this is okay, so these are the sorted blocks. Okay, I need to comment them out. Where is it? User ID and sorted blocks. Okay, that should do it. Let's hit the refresh. Okay, so this is the user ID. This is the sorted blocks. Now fetch profile picture for each user. So for that, we need to call this. User ID, right? And we have user ID over here. So we call it like this. Fix user ID. Is that what you meant? Guess not. Okay, let me see. Let's fetch data and fetch profile pic. Yeah, okay, VM start there, and then we do it again. Network user ID. Yeah, why is nothing happening with this? User ID. I'm mapping to everything. Through the user ID. Best profile picture for each user. Set the profile picture constantly PA plus space URL. Okay, so what else am I missing? Mhm. But I'm not getting any errors over here though. Why? Okay, lockout. Yo, R-Man, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? Good evening. I mean, I don't know. Is it evening for you or is it morning? What up? What's up, man? How are you? How is your day? Okay, sorted array, sorted blocks. How about this? Okay, it logged in. Where did this come from? Okay, API. It's currently lunchtime for me. Oh, okay, nice. I'm okay, and you? I'm good. You know, as the usual, stuck with code. Don't know what I'm doing. Other than that, everything is fine, you know. The usual. Okay. So, did you have your lunch, or like you're still going to have your lunch? Man, like thinking of lunch, I just had my lunch. I'm feeling hungry. I mean, not hungry, but I feel like eating something, you know? Not exactly hungry, but I want to eat something. You still plan to? Oh, okay, you still haven't had it. You're planning to have lunch. What? You don't plan to have lunch, man. You just have it. You just have it, you know? Like you don't wait for it. And you don't definitely don't plan for it. You just look at your lunch, you feel hungry, you just have it. And even if you're not feeling hungry, just have something like snacks or something in the middle too. Movie. I know, but I'm not hungry right now. Also, I'm not craving something specific. I'm craving steak though. There's a hot restaurant like near us. They're called Donut Factory, and the chicken steak is the best. Man, they make the best chicken steak that I have ever had. You know, I mean, I haven't had any other chicken steak, so that's the only one that I had. But I had like another steak before, like a beef steak, but it wasn't. You know, like when I bite into it, it felt like rubber. You know, like it was so hard to bite into it. I had to use like both my hands to chew it. Essentially. So I like this chicken steak is actually pretty good though. But I think they used like the chicken breast, and it's so nice. You can just tear it off and then, oh, it's so good. It's so good. Even the what do you call veggies that they give you, right? Never mind. I mean, the steak is awful, but I don't know. Maybe the steak might also be good. The chicken though is so good. Yo, like when you told me about lunch, I feel like having it. I mean, it's not cheap, it's expensive, but it's not that expensive, you know. Like for you, it might be cheap though. I mean, when you think about the currency conversion rate, you know, because let's say, I think it's like I think it's like 300 after the offers, so divided by what you got 90, right? So that's like, yeah, 3 euros. So if you're traveling to India, like, you know, like this is what it cost for a steak. So that steak is pretty good. I like it. They have like I think broccoli. Yeah, it's broccoli. They have broccolis and they have mushrooms and all, and in the sauce, like the mushrooms will be there. Oh, it's so good. Just thinking about it is making me hungry. Man, why did you say about lunch? Oh man, now I feel like hungry. Okay, I will remember that. But you have to come to the southern part of India though, not like in the north. I don't know any good restaurants in the north, like maybe the Taj, but I guess it's expensive. Like you need to come to the south and in Kochi, like that's where I'm at. So you have to come that far to get the steak. Yo, the flight expense and everything for a €3 steak. Man. Then there's these biryanis, right? Oh, the biryanis are the best. There are these biryanis where when you bite into the chicken, right? The chicken melts in your mouth. And even the rice, dude. Oh my god. The rice, like right, like we use our hands to eat. So you like take a piece of chicken, you mix the rice with it, and when you have it, right, it melts in your mouth and the spices just burst. Like, wow. Oof. Just thinking about it is like my mouth is watering up right now. It's so good. Are you hungry now? Wanna go have your lunch? Yo, man. Are you craving anything now? Then there's gulab jamuns, that's like the sweets, I guess. It's pretty good too, gulab jamuns if you are into sweets. But it's so sweet, it's like really sweet. Why? I mean, you were planning to have your lunch, so maybe now you can go have it. Yo, man. Like, do you have like anything like that? Like any? Yeah, I'm hungry right now. Well, I did my part, Now you just need to do your part. Go have some food. Oh man. But do you have anything like that? Like any good food like that makes you crave for it? Something so delicious. Sometimes there are certain restaurants that have like really good food. Like, damn. Then there's chili chicken. Oh my god, the chili chicken's off with parota. Oh, yo. Those are some really good combos. I would say those are like really good. Well, and that's how you make someone hungry. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, let me have some water. Fish. Flaschen noodle? Okay, what's that? Flaschen noodle? Flaschen noodle. Okay, what is that? Flash model. Okay. FLEI. FLEI. K. Okay. Wow. Flash. K. Flash. K. It's like dumpling filled with meat. Oh, I like dumplings so. I mean, not dumplings. We have it momos. I think it's kind of like dumplings. I don't know if it's the same. Like, yeah, I guess it is dumplings, right? Like momos. These are the ones that we have. Like, oh my god, it's so good. It is good. It is good. It's a good dish. Like, we have something over here. Maybe I'll buy it today in the evening. I'll have to see. The prices of everything has been like skyrocketing. FLEIS. FLEIS. CHK. Flesh noodle. Flesh. There's no E, I think, right? Yeah, there's no E. I could probably, yeah. Oh, it's like this. Oh, we have something like this too, though. Oh, we have this. Oh, we have this, but instead of meat, we use like veggies, though. Like sugar. I mean, not sugar, it's like a sweet that we use. Yeah, I know. We have a similar type, but instead of meat, what we have is, let me show you. I think, what do you call? I forgot the name. Okay, not. Kur- okay, this is what we call korikata. This is the thing. It's the exact thing, right? But for this, we use sweets though. Jaggery and I think it's jaggery, coconut, etc. We use it. It's good. It's really good. Is it the same? For you guys, you might be using meat, and for us, we use jaggery and sweets. Okay, guys, you guys might be having an ad right now, like 1 minute 24 seconds. Is this what you meant? It does look kind of similar, right? What do you use like on the outside? Is it? It kind of looks the same. Okay, now I'm not getting any error. That's so weird. Okay, so what if I remove this, right? Okay, what about the profile pic? Okay, now I know what is the issue. It's a dough made with potato flour. Oh, okay, I guess it is kind of similar. I don't know what we use though. Wait, let me just search it. I think it's kind of similar. Let me just search it. Okay. Jaggery, coconut jaggery dumpling. Okay, it is the dumpling. The food. Okay, what do you use? Okay, steamed rice dumplings. Okay, jaggery, grated coconut. For the raw. Yeah, we use rice flour. Rice flour. Also, we also have some sweet variants too. For example, instead of meat, you can put apricot instead and have it as a dessert. Oh, okay, okay. This is actually a dessert for us. We don't have another variant, I guess. I mean, we don't have. I mean, as in like a traditional dish, we don't have a variant. This is like because as you know, like Indians were like in the past, we were predominantly what do you call vegetarians, right? Like pure vegetarians, so no one used to have like meat or anything like that because of all the religions and stuff like that. So we never had any meat, and so most of our dishes were actually like vegetarian. So this is also something like that. It's like pure veg dish, but it's so good. But nowadays, like everyone has meat. Like everyone has like chicken, beef. I mean, in the north nobody has beef, but in the south they do. There's also one variant that's just fried fat, I think. Don't ask me why. Like we also have something like that, but I think with the yeah, like this is the thing. Like this is also like I think it's something like you said, right? But it's a sweet for us. This is a sweet. It's oily. It's so oily. Like you would think like why does this exist? But it's like an old dish, like a generational old dish. It's so old, like the dish. It's really good too. Like it's fried ball. I guess it's fried balls. It's not fat though. It's not fried fat or anything like that. It's like vegetarian, as I said before. But instead, you use I think it's rice dough itself. It's not on the outside. It's not on the outside. You fill the dumpling with. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know. Like I'm not a huge fan of fat because I tried pork, right? And maybe it's because of the dish. I just didn't like it that much. It was, I think, pork curry. We have a lot of curries, because we have a lot of spices. So I just didn't enjoy it that much. So I don't know if, and it had a lot of fat. So I don't know if I don't think I'm a huge fan of fat. Mm. But that is interesting, like seeing similar dish in another country, they use another way. Isn't that insane? And the way everything works, right? Okay, so fetch profile. Response await. Okay, let me try to. Okay, so this gets all the data. So what if I try to get inside fetch profile? I want to see why like this is not working. So I'm gonna try to see what happens inside the fetch profile, and then we can see where the data is being sent and why it's okay. Failed to load server response with 500. It is syntax error, non-existing module. Okay, why does it say that? Let me just go back to the GitHub. Can I see my old, like, can I see, how do I see my history? I could probably see it over here, right? Okay, I can't see it over here. Okay, maybe this is not it. Issues. Repos. Let me check. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Okay, BRB. All right, I am back. So it says 500 error. The reason why this is happening, okay. Network, let's go here. Wait, I'm pretty sure I had a file. Where's my kid? Welcome back. Thank you. I had to have some water, man. My throat becomes so dry when I'm talking so much. I keep talking a lot. By the way, how is your works going on? Understandable. Okay, where exactly is the issue? I can't seem to understand. I can't seem to understand where the issue is, to be honest. Nothing much. Electronica have a karaoke stream, and funny enough, it went actually good. Oh, okay, I missed that. You okay? Did you have a video? Man, I'll have to check it out. Okay, you had a okay karaoke stream. Okay, I'll have to wait. How did you? Okay, I'll have to figure that out. I'll figure it out myself. Wait, if you're using karaoke stream, then do you add like another model? Like, do you use another model to for the sound? I mean, for the music? How does it work? I don't think. Is that how you did it, or like? Yeah, the word is still up, but the music is not in the word except for the first one because I forgot to change this. Ah, man. But you didn't get any copyright issues or anything like that, right? You because it might get muted, right? I mean, YouTube does that. I don't know if Twitch does it. Mm, okay, failed to get that. Okay, where exactly is the file? Nope, no issues. And for archive 2. Oh, okay, then that is great. Did she like sing the whole song or like a snippet, small snippet or something? Yes, 11 songs in their entire length. Oh my god, okay. Um, okay, wait. First, for some, I need to redo the process because they came out very. For some, I need to redo the process. Okay, I'll have to check the book. But how do you like? How does it actually work? Like when you request, because when I saw her stream, right? I think it was what is it? Aries? No, not Aries. There's another Alice, right? I think it was Alice. When I saw her stream, the sound actually was like different. So I thought maybe it's like another, like when a request comes in, then another music model. Yeah, Alice 33. So when a request comes in, another model takes over and that model processes the request and makes the music and then goes back, right? I think that's how, because the sound was completely different. So is that how you do it, or like is it? Mm. Because that's how I felt like it might be because, or maybe if I'm able to train my AI with the data, then I could probably make her sing that song, right? But then she won't know the music sheet unless she is able to read the music sheet. But if I'm using the same sound, then the sound shouldn't change. Hmm. Okay, that is okay. I'll have to think about it later. Let me solve this first. This is my problem, and when I try to do some work and when another thought comes in, I go into that. I would like to have the same kind of process like Alice, but my brain goes, I need to think about it. Mm. I mean, yeah, that is understandable. It is a bit hard to know the logic as to how you will apply a process, right? When it comes to AI, because depending upon the request, she makes a song, right? I will have to see. The model for me is always the same, but the animation is different. Oh, okay. But what about the background music? Like, do you add any background musics or like? And by the way, I'm by model, I meant like the what do you call AI model that you use, right? For me, like I use Mistral 7B, which is like it's an offline model, but I think you are using ChatGPT, right? Mhm. Mapping our sorted for to get user ID should call the fetch data. Okay. Now we finally have some errors. Okay. So the above error component at user can access fetch profile before initialization. The instrumentals are separated from the vocals, and whenever I play it, I can mute the instruments to avoid DMCA track. Oh, okay. The karaoke AI is a. Oh, gotcha. I understand now how it works. Got it. Okay, I understand it. Now, I understand the whole process now. Okay, I understand it. Man, okay, that is pretty cool. That is pretty dope. I'll have to add that to my list of things to do. Maybe I'll make my Lucy sing some songs too in the future. But it depends. I'll have to see though. I don't think it's going to be easy. Okay, before initialization. You know, like I hate this and then I'm having all these errors. Okay, why do I feel like ChatGPT is becoming slower nowadays? And Aronica generated AI is based on Noble AI, which recently had an emergency maintenance. Yeah, it was announced to be completed. Oh, Novel AI, huh? Why? Like, why? What happened though? Like, why was there an emergency meeting? Did something happen? Maybe I could probably start one. Okay, let's copy this. Add this. Don't know. I heard from someone else that the database got too big because too many people signed up for it. Oh, okay, 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 okay. That makes sense. Can't confirm it though. Oh, for me, like what happens is because I'm using what you call local LLM, right? Because I'm running locally and I'm using Ooga Booga, whenever they update, whenever the community does an update and something breaks, it affects me. So what I did is I like made a safe copy of all the stuff so that it won't affect me anymore. And right now it's working fine with the way I have set everything up. So there shouldn't be any issues, but you never know. Like I had that issue and because of that I couldn't stream her for a while, but now I have made a copy, like everything is back to perfect. Okay, it's working. All right, finally it's working. Finally we have our user ID, I mean user ID and profile pictures. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it was because I didn't, I mean, call it, so that's the reason why it was not working. Anyways, now it's working, so it should be fine. Like the pic is also fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Should I add this to the left side too? Like I don't know. If I click on this, like you'll be able to go here to the individual, you know, to the individual what do you call, blog or whatever. Yeah, I need to fix those pages. But finally, maybe I'll move this to the left. I feel like there's too much gap, right? Off, but still, these are like finally some changes, man. Like, oof. It broke the whole stuff, but we are back to some, we are back to working. Open image in a new tab and it's working. You see this length? It's because I converted it into a string in MongoDB. That's why it's having such a huge length. The string length is just so huge. Oh. I could probably reduce the size. It's fine over here. I don't know why it's like this. Probably had to change that later on. La 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 la. Alright, now that this is working, I was able to add this and I was able to add this. Yeah, I'll change something over here, but I'll have to see. Okay, I had to fix this. Oh my god, the things I need to fix. Should I change the color or should I keep it the same color? Both should be showing up at the same time, and I could do that, but for that I can't use MongoDB. I'll have to use something else. Why is this? It should be the same length. Admin 2. Yo. I need a new name for this too. Like for the website, maybe I'll have to think and find some names. Okay, I need to add a search bar. Like this can't stay, I need to change the search bar. Does it need to have a title? Should I give it a title or should I just remove this and just have the right here section? Okay, let's go back to our login page and then remove all the unnecessary stuff that I have, like console.logged in. Don't think we need this anymore. Console.log API URL, that is also not required because everything is working fine. I tried to hit refresh. Okay, click. I need to remove that too. Just click. Okay. And admin. Okay, WS socket to web socket is closed. Connection is established. Post. I think it's just fine. Maybe there is some issues, but I'll have to check it. Okay, now I do have some issues where if there is no profile picture, then it should add something over here, right? Might have to work on that. I don't know why, but my shots are not performing as I used to. So I need to look at them once again. So with this, now the name, the admin name and the stuff are working. And what I need to do next is search bar, right? Should I focus on the search bar? Let's try that. So where's the search? Okay, wait, what was this for? Show profile picture, mobile menu ID, static search option. Okay, this is for the search bar. Link, if I'm not wrong, this is actually for the search. I don't remember, like it's been a while. So, okay, let's see. Search profile, typography. I'm pretty sure for search there was a question mark in the link. And why the heck does it still have this? Okay, where did I? Okay. I mean, there was a lot of components, so I couldn't update but I updated this. Then why didn't I update this one? My God, man, like what is wrong with me? So the path is here, the API URL is also here. So why didn't I just update it? Fetch blog data. What did I use this for though? What did I use this for? They have the navbar. Search profile. Oh, I know what I used this for. Okay, I know what I used this for. Bar, avatar, and typography. Follow button, yep, and user blocks line. Okay, now onwards I need to add comments for everything that I'm doing, otherwise I'm gonna get confused. Okay, let that be there. And there should be another search option. Okay. Reset result on search query, which is what I need to add here instead of the button. Search result drop down. Okay, search option, handle search option, constant. Right, you know what? Let me try to bring this component over here and see what happens. I think it was in navbar, right? Navbar, we have the search profile, which is what I'm supposed to add here instead of. There's nothing else, right? I'm not missing anything. Okay. Search option. Okay, let's see what happens with this. Oh, huh. Okay, that's perfect to be honest. Shouldn't I reduce the size a bit maybe? So the search component actually work? I mean, there should have been a drop down. Okay, maybe because I haven't wait. Let's check handle searches. Okay, let me hit the refresh. Okay, handle search icon is not a function. Okay, so we need to fix that next. Let's go back to the search option, and we need to fix this. This is fine, but I'm pretty sure I saw another one that had an issue. I'm pretty sure I saw it over here though. Okay, this is the one, and then function to handle click outside mouse. And if enter key is pressed, then it should take me to the other page. Path API base URL, which is equal to import. Okay, that is how this is supposed to work. Constant API plus add event listener to handle the drop downs. No user found. Search option. This is the same one, right? But then where did I okay, so that was in search profile. Yeah, avatar, typography. Following Oh, okay, so that's why it's empty because I haven't done this. Yeah, I'll have to check this. Let's add this. Let's comment this out first. I mean, I could just do it right now itself. So it's constant URL, so constant path is equal to slash blocks, and then you have constant API base URL, which is equal to and API URL is equal to base URL plus. Just comment this out. Should do it. Now the next thing is actually, where is the search? Okay, where is the issue? So this is not the one. Search options is the issue, right? This is one that is having all the issues. Document handle event dot get API URL slash profile username equal to search query API base URL plus. Okay, so everything should be working fine with this. So why? Handle icon click is not a function. Handle icon click was the function. Is it handle search icon click? Okay, that is the one. So was the search icon? Yes, constant search options handle search icon click and handle search call, handle click outside. If equal to handle search icon click. Let's see what happens. Ooh. I was thinking like why wasn't there any messages? Okay, so handle search icon click is not a function. Okay, I think I know what the issue is, and this is the third option, right? So this is the one. Lycan. Okay, this is it. Got it. That was probably the cause. Where is it? Where is it? Where is my sign? Okay, wait. Search profile. Navbar, right? Okay. So search options. Okay. Search option. Search option. This. I mean, not search option navbar, right? Okay. Open to the site. Okay, this is it. So just copy it and paste it. Should work now. Handle search input is handle search input is not defined. Okay, we have the handle search input. About the word search profile, about constant search, to div position relative. Handle search icon is not defined. What else is there? Constant search equal to style search profile. Okay, handle search input, handle select option, handle search input, change. Handle search icon click. Is that what the issue is now? And search icon click is not defined. Oh. What about this? Does it have a search icon Okay, what is the issue now? Seems like you're trying to use an function. What? Okay, I don't understand. Search profile. Okay, is there something like search icon click? No, right. Search profile. Search input slash user ID. Okay, where have I not? I'm pretty sure I should have declared it. Let me look at my Git. I don't think I made that many changes though. So why is it still acting like this? Okay, let's check on the SRC components. Let me check it. All user blocks. I think it's a navbar. Did I have anything like that? No. Primary search app. No, there's no function. There's no function. There's no function. Not seeing a function like that doesn't. Why is it causing? What's the search icon? Okay, search option and handle search icon. Constant search is equal to 64. Ah, there you have it. Wait, but I don't remember removing it. When did I remove this though? Like I don't remember removing this at all. Okay, let me go back to my GitHub. Constant handle menu profile menu option. Okay, menu option, menu option, menu option. Okay, there's nothing else, so this is the only one. I just copy this, add this over here. And we are back. Cannot read properties of content type. Cannot read object. Search component. Cannot read properties of undefined reading content. Oh my god. There's one error after another, like it just doesn't stop. La 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 la. Okay, where is the other one? I put it. Mhm. La 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 la. So when I solve one issue, I get another one. Yay! This is so fun. You know what is the type, but I cannot read properties of undefined reading content type. It's in search option. We'll have to see what is the issue in this option. Where's the content type though? I don't see a content type. Ahem. La 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 la. It nice having some, what do you call? Okay, so this. La 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 la. Okay, this is just insane, man. Okay, I just saw on Twitter. Wow, wait. Crazy. I'm starting to think that person. Man, I never thought like so. I mean, Sony is just crazy. Oh my god, Sony is so fun. Let's see if I can get the tweet up. Wait, wait, what's the tweet? Bro, where's the tweet? I'm pretty sure I just saw this. Okay, wait, where's the tweet? Oh, okay, so this is the one. Wait, is it banned in India? Let me just check. Oh, it's not banned in India, huh? Okay, honestly, I thought. Uh, all right, so I just saw this tweet. Like, so it seems like the Helldivers, but it's still back to how it was, you know? Even though they said that, even though Sony said that they won't require PSN accounts, They still, man, this is so funny. Okay, so you guys know, right? Like the Sony declared that you needed PSN accounts, and because of that, a lot of countries, like 177 countries, won't be able to play the game. And even if you bought the game, you won't be able to play it. You know, like it's a scam move, and they knew it beforehand. Like the Helldiver community, I mean, the devs knew it beforehand, but they didn't tell that to the people. Usually, if a game is not available for that region, it's probably banned, right? But that was not the case for Helldiver. So what happened is everyone bought the game from these regions, right? Where the PSN was not available. And now what happened is they decided to ban it. And but because of the backlash from the Helldivers community, Sony decided that yeah, it won't be mandatory. You know, like yeah, you won't need the account. You know, even if you don't have the account, like you'll be able to play the game. But now they restricted the community from purchasing in 77 country where PSN is not available. So I don't know, man. Like, does that mean the players still won't be able to play it? Like, if you bought this from like one of these countries, you still won't be like if you bought it, then will you still be able to play it? And I didn't know that Japan was on the list. Why is Japan on the list? And I thought India might be like on the list, but India is not on the list. Yay, hooray for us. But still insane if you ask me. Like, what the hell of all the things that you could do? Oh man, this is pretty cool. And that is how Helldive was going to end up, I guess. It's a bit sad because there's a lot of people who actually bought the game, and the company is doing like this is pretty trash move. Unless like if you already bought the game and you are still able to play it, then yeah, it's okay. I don't mind that. But is that the situation? I don't know. We'll have to see it. We'll have to see in the future. You know, but still, it is funny with how they have set everything up, how they're destroying themselves. And I was thinking of buying the game, but now I'm not gonna buy the game. It's a bit sad that what's happened to Helldivers, so I won't be buying the game. Nowadays, I don't know, like, is it safe to buy a live action game? Because they could shut it down, right? Like, they can literally just shut down the game and you won't ever be able to play it, like what they did with Crew. So, is it safe to actually buy a game now? I mean, is it even worth it to buy an online game? Because you're not owning the game and they can remove it completely. And with Crew, you can't even have like custom servers anymore, right? It's a bit sad. Okay, now how do I okay, the search had an issue, right? So let's get back to my problem. We are still having that, and if cannot read properties of content type rating, search open JSX and BRB. I'll be back. Okay, so it's where was I? BRB. This is it all following. What else is there? Now let's get back to this and see why I'm getting this error. Code type error cannot read properties of undefined content type. Na 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 na. Uncaught error is underlined, hence it is throwing error reading trying to convert the face. Okay, I understand the result. Okay, I understand why this is happening now. Okay, let me search for. I think I know the reason why I'm getting the error. Let me check for the accounts and the information that are present. Maybe that will give me an idea. Na, 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 na. Now, if I go back to the users, let's see how many of them. Okay, so does this have a profile picture? Admin at gmail.com, admin2 at gmail. Okay, admin3 doesn't have it. If I remove this, yeah, delete it. And then if I now search for this, okay, let's search for this now once more. Yeah, so that is the reason okay, so that works. Which means I have to generate an automatic profile picture for everyone. When you create a new account, an automatic profile picture should be based on your name's first word and maybe and a random background. Should I use a random image for that or something else to create the image? Okay, what else do we need? So I saw this file. I need to fix this. Then what else? Need to fix this. And then what else is there? Okay, I need to add the follower option. I could probably add it over here, right? Like maybe add a vertical. How to add a vertical? Maybe a row. HVBR. Actually, I kind of like this. This is growing on me. I think it's bad. Games I could probably play. Okay, Fantasy Star Online looks kind of nice. La, 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 la. Okay, this looks alright. Just this. Submit. The edit and delete should be like on the side instead of being here, right? Kind of like this. Maybe I'll change that into icons and then add them over here to the side. Might be a bit better. What if I add this to the left? No, it kind of looks balanced, but it's not. It's not. Okay, let me see. Alright guys, so I stream for like 3 hours right now, so I think I'm gonna end the stream for today, and we'll stream tomorrow. Okay, I think that might be better. I need to make some videos and stuff, and I'll do it now because I might become way too tired later on. So should I do it later? Okay, so next, before I do anything else, might as well just have everything else working. Let's add. Where do I add the follower list? Like, when I click all, it should take me to that, and if I'm clicking followers, then it should take me to the followers list. I'll add it over here, but let me see. Okay, where does this go? Let's see where that goes. Okay, so if Okay, let me go back to the following list. Okay, that is for the following list. What about the following? Yeah, there you are. Validate error path. Name is required. Who doesn't have a name? File. Ah, it does have a name. So what do you mean? But I can understand. Like, I'll move this to the right. I know how to deal with this. From here and here. Okay, that should do it. Then like 500. Or instead of this, I could probably just go with style and add margin top like 7% or like 15% or like 80. Oh, 20. Do it. I don't need to remove. Okay, where is follow bar? Right? Okay, where is the follow bar? Let's go back to the side. Container. Do I just remove the container and then do it without the container? Margin 10px. Okay. What about this? Padding is okay. Border max width component main. Okay, so this doesn't have. What if I go? And let's go below. I'm gonna remove the whole MUI from this. God. Okay. Okay, how can I? Or how do I? I want to fix you up, but before that, I want to make sure that you guys are okay. And for that, I need to do some stuff. Component may style. You can remove these, right? And as for see the rest. Okay, now this border radius and border is solid and its background is white. Let's change that to black. Let's see. Okay, now I can see what is happening, right? So suggestions for you. This is here. So let's add like a margin top, right? Margin top. Let's make it like 20% maybe. And okay. All right, and margin left be 0. Margin left be 0, but then why is it moving towards the other side? Do I have a margin right for this? Margin top is there. I don't remember adding any MR. Did I? Okay, let's go back to all user blocks, open to the side. Let's check it out. Only I know what is going on. Okay, so this is the one. Did I give any margin? MB is for like margin bottom. Plus, what's the purpose of adding it over here though? Huh. Huh. Okay, it did have some purpose, I guess. Hmm. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the stream for now. I need to do some other stuff too, and this is getting a bit hectic. I'll have to see what is happening with this tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If you did, if you are new, or if you're watching the words later on, if you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a follow. That really helps out. With that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.